Hello everybody. This is my first time ever doing this on YouTube. I posted on Facebook to see if anybody wanted to learn. Nobody contacted me. Nobody wanted to learn. So I'm doing it for YouTube. This is what I call a granny square. This is what my grandma taught me how to make. My first ever making anything was a square. It took me a while though. It took me a nice little minute because I kept messing up and my grandma had kept showing me. It took me about 2-3 months before I actually caught on to it. That's 10 rows long. This one is 5 rows long. But it is connected. I already connected it to a blanket. It's for my daughter. This is what I made for her as a baby blanket, and her father destroyed it, so I had to rebuild the whole thing, and now it's super huge. So, starting off, you get your yarn, and this is the color I'm using. It's multicolored red heart. I think it's called multicolored. I'm not really sure. I just know I just take the wrapper that come with it back to the store and match it up. This one is 10 rows long, and this is what I'm going to be making. This is your yarn. You grab the end, grab your needle, and this one is 4.25 millimeters, the kind I like. And you do like this, wrap it over, tuck it under, and then you pull it through like this, and then you tighten it. Then you chain 5. So I'm pretty fast at it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you chain 5, it will look like this from your point of view. Then you go back into the first chain, which that's way over here to your first chain. And then you wrap the needle and you pull through both. And then I chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you just pull it down. Then you wrap the needle. I think this is called a double stitch. And you put it through the big hole. Then you wrap your needle and pull it through. That will leave you with 3 on your needle. Then you pull through 2. And you pull through 2. Then you chain 3. Then you wrap the needle and go back into the big hole. I'm trying to get an angle to where you can see me. This is my first time ever going to post this on YouTube. See? You wrap, you go through the big hole, pull, same thing. Then it leaves 3 on your hook. Then you pull through 2. Then you pull through 2. You do it again. Then you chain 3. See, I have 3 of them in there. I always start with 3. That's how I make my first square. So, this is how I learned how to make what I call granny squares. And you should always have 3. 1, 1. I got this one. This one only has 2 because when I get here, I'll add 1 to here, connect it to here. And I'll chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Oh crap, just grab. So 1, 2, 3. And then you go in here. I'm going to pause it and get back when I'm finished with the square. Okay, I'm finished with the square. And I'm just going to go into the top